Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to reopen an Etsy account you closed. So when you close your account guys, there will be several things that you need to know. So as you can see here, this is like the account that I have. This is my account that I closed recently. We successfully closed your account. So what do I need to do in order for me to reopen it? So if you ever want to reopen your account, we'd love to have you back. You can reopen your account anytime by logging in to Etsy.com. So it's very simple. So let's go back to Etsy, sign in, put your credentials and sign in. And just like that, you may be unable to access your account. This is very normal because as you can see here, they are going to tell you that if you are not able to connect to it, contact Etsy support team. So this is where you need to contact them, but you need to create a new account in order to do that. So this is very important to know guys. In order for you to actually sign in or basically get back to your account, you will need either to log in case that was the case for you. In case it wasn't, then you will need to contact Etsy support team by having another account by hand, or simply just create a test account very quickly and then simply just send them your credentials, for example your address and then your name or something like that, and your phone number also. That could be very helpful. And once you do all of this, they will simply contact you back, answer you and try to fix the issue for you. Now as you can see, for me myself, I cannot open it without contacting the support, so I would need to actually contact them back and get to my account, as you can see here. So it's very easy to do that. So yeah, that was basically it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and leave a beautiful comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.